every morning at exactly the same time.
This dog came back to the bus stop.
He was old, tired, but his eyes never stopped watching the road.
Years ago, he used to sit here with his owner.
No words, just quiet company and love. The bus arrived. People passed by,
But the one he waited for never did.
still the dog returned.
Through rain,
Through snow,
through burning summer days.
People tried to help him, tried to take him home, but love doesn't understand goodbye. One day, a little girl noticed him. She knelt down, offered her kindness, and gently touched his head. For a moment, it felt like hope. But the dog stood up, turned back toward the road, and sat down again.
because in his heart, he wasn't waiting for a place, he was waiting for someone. And as long as love remembers, waiting never feels wrong.